everyone, welcome back to another keto mukbang. I'm doing breakfast today and we're doing a pancake and turkey bacon, but we're going low fat with the pancake this time because I made it with the Quest protein powder. Everyone, good to see you. Back doing another mukbang. I got a nice low fat one here for you. I am doing breakfast, but I'm doing it for dinner because I wanted it and I was craving it after I seen one of my subscribers do this one on her channel. She is doing the keto and she's doing it the low fat way. So now I can show you guys how to do that low fat pancake that I do, which is 2 ounces of cream cheese and 2 eggs. That is far too high in fat. I'm doing it with the Quest protein powder. Me and my brother talked about that in one of my lives. So what I got is one of their sample packs. It was on sale for 50 cents at GNC. It's the cinnamon crunch flavor. So they have that and they had a chocolate one. So what you do is you use the entire pack for this one. The entire pack. This is 1 serving. Use the entire pack and then you add 4 egg whites. Cook your pancake in a non-stick pan so you're not using any oil or any butter, and then about 2-3 minutes and then flip it. I did it on medium and 2 or 3 more minutes, and then I did it with turkey bacon. Now the only difference with mine is I have a pat of butter on mine. Remember, I am not going low fat. I am in maintenance mode. So I have a pat of butter on mine and it is sugar-free syrup on here too. So I can imagine this is going to be absolutely delicious. I know that my friend Veronica said it was so good. So the entire pack, I show you a little, slideshow at the end again, but it's the entire pack, 4 egg whites, because you're using egg whites to keep it low. And the fat on here is only 1.5 grams of fat, and it is 5 total carb, but there's 2 fibers, so it's only 3 carbs for this, 3 carbs. And then your syrup that I'm using is the sugar-free syrup, so after you deduct, the carbs off of that, I would say it's probably 1 or 2 more carbs. So you got about 5 carbs here, and then I've got a glass of unsweetened almond milk with it. I love it that way. Now the chocolate one here, I was going to do a chocolate pancake for you guys, but I got to figure out the recipe on this because this one gets a lot thicker. It almost turns into a pudding when you do it with the 4 egg whites. So what I'm thinking is you got to use less, maybe half the pack. So next time I'll show you how to do the chocolate one where, how to do it, because that one's just the entire pack and 4 egg whites. But this one here was, way too thick. It came out like a pudding, and so I couldn't even pour it into the pan. So I'm guessing probably half the pack, but I will make another mukbang doing the chocolate pancake. How good would that be? And this one is 0 fat. I don't get why it is, but it's 0 fat, and the carb on this one is 4 with 2 fibers, so it'll only be 2 carbs for this one. So it's even less carb being a chocolate one. I'm surprised. So, but anyways, I'm so excited for this pancake. I have not tried it yet. I've heard my brother tell me buy the vanilla protein powder by Quest, and he said you can make all kinds of recipes and pancakes, but this one here is a flavored one, so I can't wait to taste it. And Veronica on her channel said it was good. So unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and I got a little bit of ice in there. So, and that would be another half a carb. So my total carb count here is about 5.5 carbs. So that's great, keeping it under 6. So let's see how great this is. I know it's gonna drip. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful and thick? Way better, way easier to flip and everything than that other pancake. It's like a real pancake. Oh, that is good. Now this one tastes more like a pancake. The other one I taught you guys how to make tastes more like French toast. This tastes like a pancake. Oh my God, it's good. And this one is going to be much more filling. I remember Veronica saying that because there's 20 grams of protein. Great way to get your protein in, and then your turkey bacon with it too. Lots of protein here. Have a piece of bacon. I love when my bacon and my sausage hits the syrup. I love that sweet and salty. Not doing a movie tonight. Sorry about that. Not, picked one out just because I wasn't prepared what I was even having for dinner, and I'm doing a late dinner, and I wasn't going to do a mukbang, but I thought I have to, because after I seen those, picked it up today, I thought I'm doing a mukbang. So I wanted to show this to you guys so you guys can have this. Oh my God, it's so good. Mmm. Of course, I get to have it better because I can cook mine in something. I actually cooked mine in coconut oil because I need more fats because I don't have a lot of body fat right now. I do have some, so I can definitely still eat lower fat. But I just wanted to see what it would taste like cooked in the coconut oil, and then I did a pat of butter. But you guys are going to cook it in a nonstick pan like Veronica did with no, nothing in there, no oil or nothing, and you're not going to use the butter. You don't need it. With the syrup and everything, you don't need it. I already tasted a bite of it without even having the butter on it yet. And it's really good, just so I could tell you guys, it's really good. But remember, once you get to maintenance mode like me, you get to eat better. But we still eat good low fatting too. Mmm, that is good. Whoops. Definitely, like I said, more like a pancake. Monica, you got to get to GNC and try this. Veronica did it. Now I'm doing it. It is delicious. And this tastes more like a pancake. Like I said, the other recipe of mine that's got the 2 eggs and the 2 ounces of cream cheese, that is higher fat. That tastes more like French toast. You put that 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon in it. But a way to make that one a little bit lower fat would be to use, instead of 2 eggs, you would use 4 egg whites and the 2 ounces of cream cheese. And you could use a light cream cheese because that would be less fat. So that would be a way of making, still having that pancake, but having it lower fat. Mmm. Because someday you may want a pancake taste, one day you may want a French toast taste. That's really good. This one, like I said, is cinnamon crunch. Mmm. I was so bummed out because I really wanted to make the chocolate pancake for you guys. And I will. I'm going to do a video on that. I just got to figure out how to make it. Like I said, it was so thick when I mixed it in my bullet. Because Veronica was saying she used the whole pack and 4 egg whites for this one. And I said, but I did the chocolate and it's so thick it's like pudding. So when I switched it and did this one, it mixed just like she said it would. So I'm guessing, like I said, that it's going to be half the pack and then 4 egg whites or whatever, so it's not so thick. But it's a trial and error. So let me figure it out first. Then I'll make a mukbang for you guys and I'll tell you exactly how to do it. Because who wouldn't want a chocolate pancake? Mmm. I had 4 pieces of turkey bacon here. I'm not going to need 4. I'm already getting full from this pancake. She was right. Very filling. But it's pure protein. It's a protein shake. So instead of having this as a shake, you get to have it as a pancake. And of course, using egg whites, no fat. Mmm. So good. I myself am going to try it with the eggs, the whole egg, because I can have it that way. But tonight for you guys, I wanted to give my honest opinion with the egg whites, what it tasted like. Mmm. And whenever I have something sweet, I like to have a glass of milk. That's why I'm having my almond milk. I'm so sorry about the lighting in here. But I'm sure you guys don't care about the lighting when I can make a video to bring out a great keto recipe for you guys, right? Who cares if you see me? It's the food you need to see. Oh my gosh, this is good. I'm so bummed out because I wanted to do the chocolate one. Again, because she said you use the package and 4 egg whites, I just assumed they all were the same. But I texted her right away and messaged her and I said, how do you make that pancake? I'm like, it's so thick, it's like pudding. And she was like, it is? She goes, mine didn't turn out that way. And I said, well, I made the chocolate one. She was like, oh, I never tried the chocolate one yet. So, must be because it's chocolate. I have no idea, but it's the same thing. It's a protein powder. It's exactly the same thing. This is, this one here is cinnamon crunch flavor. And this one is chocolate milkshake. I'm guessing because it's a milkshake, it's thicker. Because even the package itself feels thicker when you're feeling it. Like this feels more like a looser, almost like, I want to say like a powdered sugar. And this one here feels, whoops, I forgot it's open. Whoops. Okay. This one here feels more like, flour, like a flour consistency. So I imagine that's why it's so much thicker. Okay. Got chocolate powder everywhere. Not everywhere, but. Oh my God, I'm getting so full. Great way to fill you up with a low-fat, delicious pancake. I'm sure because I had mentioned about that pancake, I think in one of my lives. I'm sure some of you guys have already made the vanilla one, but try some of the flavored ones. Again, make sure you kind of, you know, it's a trial and error because like I said, the way that this one feels more like a powder, like a flour, like, you know, baking flour or whatever, like a flour, and the other one feels more like a powdered sugar or like almost like the graininess of almond flour. So that's probably why this one's more of a shake. The other one's you know, they're both shakes, but this is like a milkshake, so that's why I think it was so thick. It was like I was about to eat it. It was like pudding, but I thought I can't because it had raw eggs in it. But it gives me an idea that maybe adding that with like less, like maybe just a little bit of almond milk and mixing it, I could make myself a pudding, a chocolate pudding. Always thinking of ideas for you guys. That was so good. Definitely way different from the pancake I make. Way different, and it tasted much more like a pancake and was very thick. Like the other one is thinner and easier to eat. This one was thicker, almost like a cake. It was really good. That's why it's called a pancake. I can't eat anymore, I'm full. But anyways, that's how you guys are going to do it. This was a super easy, simple way to make a delicious pancake for breakfast or dinner like I did. And have a few pieces of turkey bacon. Believe me, just do 2 though. I am so full from that. Wow. So full. Delicious. Thank you, Veronica, for telling me about this. I mean, I knew about the protein shakes to make them as a pancake, but that cinnamon crunch one was really good, and now I'm excited to try the chocolate one. And I will figure out how to do that for you guys, and as soon as I know how to do it, I'm going to do a mukbang and tell you exactly how the recipe goes. So you guys will have another low-fat pancake, but being chocolate. So anyways, I love you guys very much. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification so you don't miss any videos. Hit the like button. And if you have anything to ask or anything, send me a message down in my box. I have linked my other channel, my Angels Heavenly Nails, and some of my stuff and my brother's stuff in there if you need to get a hold of any one of us. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. It was good to see you guys. Good to do another mukbang. And it's a nice low-fat one you guys can have. I love you guys very much. God bless, take care, and always keep it keto.